I will be showing you guys how I do my baby hair. So let's get into the video. The two things I will be using is this 24-hour edge tamer by
Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to brush out all your baby hairs. So right here, you just see me brushing out my baby hairs so I can know how many baby hairs I'm going to have on each side of my head. So right now you just see me doing the same thing to both sides. Right here you just see me adding a little bit of edge control, and then you're going to see me brushing out my baby hairs, going in a squiggly motion, and you're just going to do that to the remaining edges. I like my edges to be big, so if you wanted your edges to be a little bit smaller, that would be fine, but me, I just wanted mine to be a little bit bigger. So yeah, that's all you see me doing. Just see me making a squiggly motion on the side, getting my sideburns together. So yeah. On this side, I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the other side. And then once you're done with this side, you will get your desired look for your edges. If you're still here, I hope you enjoyed this video like I did, and I would like for you guys to give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Love you guys. Talk to you in the next video.